What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty, you should be that squishy to you. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a ghost. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with my #1 favorite hair company, which is UNice. You guys should already know this. I literally say this every time I get a wig from them. I received a BYEBYE knots wig, y'all. And when I say these wigs are taking over, literally taking over. They have changed the game. Literally, you guys saw the hair straight out the packaging. And it's installed already. Like, it comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached, and it comes with baby hair, y'all. So y'all don't have to do anything. The knots on this wig are literally invisible. Reason why it's called BYEBYE knots, you literally won't see the knots at all, y'all. Literally, you have nothing to worry about. Literally takes 15 seconds to install this hair. The baby hair you won't have to touch. You know me, y'all, I'm extra, so I'll be adding my own little touches. It's not too much because, like I said, the wig already comes done for you. So all you gotta do is throw it on your head and style it if you want. But y'all, these curls on this wig, y'all, is so fire. Like, this hair is so fluffy and soft, y'all. I didn't even want to touch it because these curls already come bomb. Usually I hate the way some curls be coming. It just gives grandma, but these curls came fire. This hair is thick, y'all. This is 24 inches, y'all. 24 inches, and this hair is bomb. You guys already know I highly recommend UNice wigs, especially the BYEBYE knots, y'all. Y'all go ahead and get y'all BYEBYE knots wig. You literally don't have to do nothing. Everything is done for you, and this has become literally the greatest thing in the world they can ever invent. Same exact wig will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Go ahead and grab your BYEBYE knots wig. So another thing I want to do before we jump into this video is show you guys a picture of literally the normal knots and how their BYEBYE knots look, y'all. When I tell you, it literally has your wig looking natural. This looks so seamless and natural. You can't tell me this is not my real hair. You can't tell me this is not growing out my scalp, y'all. I love this curl pattern, this wig, this hairstyle, and everything, y'all. And I would lift up this wig, but I don't really want to mess up my edges, y'all. I don't want to mess up my edges. I didn't really mold them down. I did them with mousse. So eventually they'll get hard, and you know, but yeah. So y'all, this wig, I'll put a comb under it for you guys to prove to you that this is glueless, y'all. This wig is glueless, and you would have never thought. Y'all need to go ahead and get you a beginner friendly wig. BYEBYE knots is it, y'all. They're literally taking over. You don't have to do nothing when it comes to your wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut, y'all. So yeah, now let's get into the video.